Hello, Year 3 and 4. Today we're doing PHSE and we've moved on to a new unit, just like most of the other subjects. We have moved on to doing dreams and goals, and this is lesson 1. So there are two aims of today's lesson. One of them is for you to identify some of your goals and dreams. The other is for you to talk about a person who has faced difficult challenges and achieved success. So, first of all, you are going to play a game called Connected with a partner, an adult, a sibling, or a group of you. What you need to do is one person states a word such as dreams, and the next person says any word that can link to it. For example, if I say dreams, someone might say sleep, someone might say bed, someone might say flowers because you can get a flower bed. Somebody might say yellow because you can get yellow flowers. Somebody might say a bee because bees are yellow. So you are going to find a word that links with that word, and you're going to continue on like that for a couple of minutes. Your challenge is to try and link it to the unit, so dreams and goals. Can you think of words that link to the dreams and goals? Once you've done a couple minutes of this game, unpause the video and carry on with the lesson. Look at the following pictures. Are any of those people facing a challenge? I'd like you, whilst you're looking at the pictures, to think about who do you think has the biggest challenge, and more importantly, why? Here's picture 1. Picture 2. That looks very high. Picture 3. A challenge I'm sure all of you are familiar with. Picture 4. Picture 5. And picture 6. I'd like you to pause the video and talk to somebody around you. Out of those 6 people, who do you think had the biggest challenge and why? An important thing to remember is that although all of those pictures above could be a challenge, some things that are challenging to one person are normal to another. So let's learn. So your activity today is to draw 2 clouds. These clouds need to be big enough that you can write in them and around them. On one cloud, can you draw a picture of one of those people in the pictures? You need to write in first person as if you are that person telling a story. You need to introduce the person, their name and their challenge. For example, the last person may be Johnny, and he is 19, and his challenge was he climbed Mount Everest. You need to describe how that person feels about facing that challenge. So inside the cloud or outside the cloud, like a story, how are you feeling about that challenge because you are writing it in first person? How do you think you can achieve or overcome a challenge? And how do you feel when you have been successful and you have achieved that challenge? On the other cloud, you are going to write inside of it some of the dreams and goals that you have. On the outside, you need to write in sentences about what steps you might take to achieve that dream. You'll need to write a sentence about what it feels like, what you feel like to have a goal or a dream. Does it feel good? Does it feel exciting? Does it feel daunting? You might need to write about what challenges you might face. So perhaps if you want to become an Olympic runner, what challenges might you need to overcome? And lastly, once you've identified the challenges you might come across, how could you How could you overcome those challenges? Once you've done both of those clouds, you'll need to upload it or take a picture and upload it to Teams so that we can see you've done this lesson.